Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix won't send MMS messages in Moto G77. First of all, check network, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet, scroll down, click on SIM and mobile network and check network. Now go back. After that, turn on mobile data, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet, click on mobile data and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on mobile data from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear message, cache and data. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps, search messages app. Now click on messages, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache, clear storage, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear storage then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data, included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and again click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, all mobile network setting will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix won't send MMS messages in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.